if you know what's good for you.
We don't.
Do I look like a guy who knows what's good for me?
What's good to
Tell
me?
me the ritual word,
Terrible.
or you'll be sleeping with
All
the
right.
fishes.
Look, is that
That's
canon?
where I sleep anyway.
What?
Tell me, or I'll send you to the bottom of the ocean.
What is happening here?
Oh,
That is some bad.
What is happening
Pick
here?
up a few things for dinner.
Guys?
That is some bad.
Summoning words.
You'll never get me
Okay.
to tell.
Arr!
Okay, this clearly isn't gonna work.
Still there? No, it's gone. Okay, excellent.
Yo, Captain!
Why do you keep bothering me?
You suck.
My assessment of your cannon operating skills, not to mention your personal appearance, odor, and intelligence, is that you are unmistakably inferior in each of those criteria.
Oh, so that's how you want to play, eh?
Alright.
Oh, no, no!
It's a matter of give, sir. Something that rigid simply cannot withstand
I got
the
it.
impact of that
I got it,
force.
Carl Winslow.
We need some
Let's
more
go back and get the mask fixed.
flexibility.
Super
You're
racist.
really going to
Well,
give him
his
what
name is
for.
Winslow.
But cheer up, sir.
I've
At
made
least
that
we
joke
can get
before.
to see that
I guess I
lovely
didn't get it till
anemone
now.
person again.
Yeah, oh, wait. What? What?
Alright. We got some clippage right around here. Wow. Who the hell put this game together?
Why is there a...
Because they're the ones that suck.
Let's get out of here, Mr. Winslow.